close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer, while we're so ashamed to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Where is the bigger something?
Where is the pack? The one I asked you to open. There's no one.
This is the one.
This is on.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadow. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
Parapin mo nga, babe. Ka.
Join the army of the shadow. 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 Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
Want you to enjoy. Yeah. And to enjoy our team building, we have our service office team here. Yeah. First of all, I would like to introduce. That's Biata. For you, RSI manager. Yeah.
This
That's
Biata.
Matthew Isak.
And Machu.
He is our outstore logistic manager. And we
Who's
have
the
Lalit
other?
Kutiro.
Hello.
Where's Lalit?
He is our in-store logistic manager.
We only
Lalit
came for
is
this
here.
event.
Yeah.
All the way down from Dubai only for this.
Yes.
Of course. Why not?
So what we have for today, Ishad will share what we have for today.
They will keep it as a secret.
Is it? But we have food. Food is not secret then.
Yeah.
So
Food is not a secret. After food, we'll have those. We'll reveal the secret. Yeah. Is there anything you want to say, Lalit, Matthew, Beata?
And enjoy.
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 That's the
Have fun.
most
Have
important.
fun. Just have fun today.
Okay, we'll start the fun with the food. Better to it's always good to have stomach full.
And sleep somewhere.
Not to find a spot and sleep. What we have in the menu is a rice, barbecue rice with barbecue chicken, and then we have salad and chicken gravy. Yeah? Dakkan biryani was the past yesterday anyways. So we will serve you. Yeah, you can come this side. You can mark is here already. We will start from here. This is what we wanted, like we want to know each other culture, each other how we are, how we play different sports. Got to know each other. This is all the aim. It's all about of this get-togethers. Yeah, and to be more togetherness. Okay. I hope there was a winner from you guys. Anyone was? Which team was the winner?
Umesh team. Captain.
Hoy Moriel, huwag ka tatawa-tawa dyan.
We'll not start the prize distribution ceremony now. Trophies. We'll have something for our support team. We do it every year, right? Yes. We get something, a token of appreciation from our company, and then we try to give that share, a bit of share for them as well. Okay, so this time also we want to give it. Yeah. So I will like all of you, whoever the name will appear here, can come up and take this token of appreciation.
Lakas ng tama. Ano ka, support ka?
From the person who will be nominated.
Ambisyoso ka.
Before that, thank you so much everyone who is who's willing to do this, and this is something
Ay,
you
Karban.
know that how hard work we are doing behind this.
Ba't ka nakapost?
So on behalf of us, we just
Bumerang ba?
thank you to everybody.
Yeah. So those who have contributed, thank you for them. Those who have not even, thank you for that as well, because you guys came here and you are still supported as a team. Okay.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows.